another Kingscliff Sales and Rentals video presentation of 234 Marine Parade Kingscliff. That's the building there on the far left. It's located on Marine Parade with good quality buildings surrounding it. This is how the unit building presents from street level, and as we go inside we can see the property's been fully renovated. Brand new kitchen, new floors, new lights, new paint. Here's the lounge room. Balcony shot here. From the balcony we've got ocean glimpses towards the ocean. Another view of the lounge room showing the balcony. There's the main bedroom, got a ceiling fan there as we can see as well. Built-ins in both rooms. Bathroom too has had a facelift. It's got a separate shower, separate toilet. And the video ends by another drone video, this time taken from the street behind, showing the position of the unit building right on Marine Parade and opposite the beach. If you're interested in renting this property, then please call the team at Kingscliff Sales and Rentals on 0266745888 or email them for viewing times at rentals@salesandrentals.com.au. For more photos and information, visit our website at salesandrentals.com.au.